to the channel. So this is supposed to be part of Vlogmas week 1. I don't know if I'm gonna get any content for you guys this week. I'm gonna try, emphasis on try to film. To update, as you guys can see, I'm back to box braids. Don't mind my shirt. I took out my Invisalign, and then long story short, I had a lot going on. I had soap. I didn't fully rinse my hands, and then I still had soap. But anyway, you guys can't even see it because my hair is so super long. But yeah, I just decided this time around I just curled it by myself with perm on some of the ends. And I did simple. Normally I go drastic colors, but I just did 99J. I just actually came back from the gym. Clap for me. We finally got back in the gym. Honestly, I was this close to not even going. I kept on making excuses. So because I got a new phone, you know how like when you get a new iPhone, your apps like transfer over, but you have to re-log in. So whatever reason, I didn't even know what my Blink member ID was, and I see no confirmation. I was looking for a confirmation email, and I was about to be like, I'm not going, but I started to go in. They gave me the card, which I need to remember to attach to my house key, so that when I go next time, I can just scan it that way. But anyway, so I did go to the gym. I definitely have to get back in the swing of things. I didn't try to push myself too much because I'm like just going back after like, let me see, April, August, September. After 3 months, 3 months, which is crazy, right? So I just try to put clips here and there. I didn't really film as much. I think I only filmed on the treadmill. I did a couple of, a couple of machines. But like, see, like with other people's gyms, their gyms are like, I'm not explaining. Like you can find corners and it can be discreet when you're filming. Whereas my gym, I feel like there's nothing discreet about it. Hey guys, so I need to do a little bit of cleaning, but I wanted to do a quick update. So it's currently Tuesday, and I did not go to the gym today because my body, like, I was just like, I don't want to overwork myself, especially because I'm just getting back into the gym, number one. Number two, I feel like I get a daily leg workout, so I'm trying to figure out, like, I feel like because I literally, like, I'm not even joking, like, I literally get a daily workout, leg workout. I want to kind of switch my gym routine a little bit so that I'm not focusing too much on my legs because my legs already hurt so much. Like being a commuter, long story short, I live in this New York City. I commute, and every morning specifically I walk so many stairs, and then at work I have to walk more stairs because I work in a school building, and it's an old school building, so we don't got no elevator. So, and I work on the highest floor, the last floor, so I have to walk up all those stairs. So every day normally my legs are in pain. I'm not gonna lie to you, because I'm constantly walking up and down those stairs every day. And it's not that I only walk up once. Normally I walk up those steps twice a day. If I don't have lunch, it's 3 times a day. So I feel like my legs are already burning, and then like I could definitely go on the treadmill, which I love, but I'm contemplating if I should swap to maybe the Stairmaster, but that's still gonna be with my legs, you know what I'm saying? So, but I feel like though the difference between the treadmill and the Stairmaster, I feel like you're kind of using your stomach a little bit, kind of like the abs, because you have to move your legs. So I'm contemplating if I want to try out the Stairmaster again in my gym and see, like, just switch it up a little bit. Me personally, I feel like cardio made me lose a lot of weight earlier this year, so I want to still do cardio. So yeah, but that's something I just need to figure out, or I'll just stick to the treadmill. Because what else did I want to talk? Oh, okay, so I don't think I'm gonna do a YouTube video on this. I did a Instagram post on it, but I did receive this a while ago. I believe it was last week. This is called the Growth Braid Box by the Beauty of Rashida. Isn't the packaging so cute? So I am a brand ambassador, but I do like their products. Now the owner actually sent me products because well, I saw that she had posted something with her own hair and it grew, and then she reached out to me and said, would I like to try it? And personally, I feel like my hair has stunted at one length, and she was talking about the same thing, like her hair, she just felt like it wasn't growing. So I want to see if this products work out. Now, I did buy myself a growth hair shirt like last weekend. I took a photo of my hair before I install these box braids. But let me just quickly share with you. So the product is a 4-step system, I believe, but she kind of switched mine a little bit because she noticed when I use one product it worked better, and I've tried one of these products already, so I can tell you like it did work. The other product was the oil, but she took that out for my box personally. Just so a heads up, if you guys are interested, I will link the box down below if you guys want to try it. But my goal is to, the goal is for me to finish all these products, that's one, but two, when I take out my braids, that's when you initially will know like the results. But I don't plan, like, I just did my hair, so I'm probably gonna have it for a good while. I try to leave my hair in long because after I sat there for a while, I don't want to just take it out, and I also want to see the results. But anyway, so really quickly, so the first thing, I'll just go kind of in order, but it's not really necessarily the order, but just so you guys, I mean, the box is a little mixed up because I have taken products out, but I did a TikTok and an IG reel on it. So this is what the box looks like inside. So there is a scalp care cleanser. It's supposed to unclog follicle, stimulate hair growth, removes dirt, dead skin cells, dandruff, excess oil, and product buildup. It says detox the scalp without over drying. So to me, it kind of reminds me of kind of like a dry shampoo, but not a dry shampoo. And by the way, this is Black owned, so yes, but this is what this product looks like. Hopefully you guys can see it because I'm on my phone camera, so. All right, the next thing that I started using and I've used before, I will see if I can, well, I'm on my phone, so I have some more leverage of editing and adding stuff on my iPhone, so I will add the photo. I'm sure it's still on my camera, but if not, it's on my Instagram. So this is the product. She actually gave me 2 of these. Like I said, she took out the oil because in this box there's also oil, but she felt like when I tried another oil, not the oil that's in this box, a different oil, like I'm starting to believe that too. I feel like I've used oils and I never see like any growth from it last time when I had braids. So I'm starting to feel like oils are not for me, like it just doesn't grow my hair. But this product did grow my hair last time. But this is the aloe vera gel drops, and pretty much you put in your scalp. What I like about this product specifically, it's like it's not oily or greasy like it says. It's honestly true, it's not oily or greasy, and also it like soaks up like water, so it doesn't feel like you have like a super greasy thing on your face. So yes, I did like this. So bottle, I said let me finish this bottle first and then I'll go into the bigger bottle. I don't know if you guys can see that, but yes, that's what it looks like. And then today I used this. So I went on the website just to clarify. I did ask the owner again, but I just wanted to clarify again. So this is the Chaby hair growth spray. So this you spray specifically on your actual protective style, the braids, like where your hair is. So I use this today. And then after it said to use the water for something else. I don't know why I filled it up, the whole bottle. Specifically spring water. Because she said she found that like using sometimes the water, like, you know, the shower, the tap water, or whatever you call it, it was harsher water. She noticed, like, so, yes. So I just use really bottled water, and we'll see how that works because that's considered spring water. And then, yeah, so it says to follow up with spring water bottle. So I sprayed this first on my hair, and then I followed it up with this. So the only thing that I have not tried so far is this, and this is only like a weekly product, so that's why I haven't tried it. I think you, if I'm not mistaken, you use it weekly to cleanse your scalp. Really random, but quickly before I just get in my bed and relax for maybe about an hour, and then I have to go to sleep for work the next day. I already set my clothes aside already, so that's done. I need to actually charge my AirPods and my watch, so let me do that real quick. I am going to hold on. Got this a while back. I think it was earlier this year. I went to one of those YouTube Black events. It was virtual, and where I'm gonna put it up, but I don't think I've ever actually showed you guys personally. I think I just put it on an Instagram story. But this is what we got, and it does have my channel name. I don't know if you guys see that. Oh, it's so heavy, I can't even show you guys. But it says Natural as Abigail on here, and it has YouTube Black on the bottom. I don't know if you guys can see that. YouTube sign. And then it was made by Reina Noriga. I think that's how you say her name. Isn't this cute? Has the woman on it and everything. So I don't know if this ever is gonna be placed on my wall, to be honest. It might go on my wall when I move out this house. I don't know, because for one, it's a very specific thing. I do have the thing, they gave us the screws and everything, but the way my wall is set up, I don't want to put this on there and it breaks, because this is like considered pretty much glass. So it's just been chilling in the corner of my room until I figure out. But yeah, never showed you guys this, I don't think so. So yeah, this was a great like gift to get. I was shocked when because the huge box had came to my house, and then I was like, what is in there? And it was this. This was the next day. I have these like chewy things that I have to use for my Invisalign when they're not like tracking. So that's what I put in my mouth, and now I'm using the JB hairspray. So far, I have been doing well in just using the products, and then I went in with the water. Now I am using this pin thing that I bought that holds out stuff, because I put two and it kept on falling down, but I think this time I finally secured it for my dry erasable calendar. And I was getting ready for December because it's a new month and I still had November up. Now I'm doing my paint by number kit, or continuing to do it. I'm almost done with it now. I'll link the video of what it actually looks like, because I realized I didn't do it from the high-end view. But if you guys want to see what it is, I definitely link that video, the unboxing and me when I first started it. So Saturday night, I just got my package. I think I'm gonna use this tonight actually, because I have some bad calluses. There's another brand that I normally use, but it's out of stock on Amazon. It's been the two times I checked, it's been out of stock. So I saw this one. They said it was good. It says the peeling of your skin will begin after 1 to 2 weeks after application, but I feel like mine's on me. I would say by day 5, it just keeps on peeling until it's done. But I got this one because these generally work better. Now this brand is new, but it had a lot of reviews. It's new to me, I should say. I normally use another brand, but I was like, I need to restock on that. So the only thing I don't like, this one is only 2 packs. I think it was more money. The brand that I normally get is 3 packs for less. So that was the only like down thing of it. But yeah, we'll see how it works. All right, anyway, but what I really want to show you that I got from Amazon taking it out the box. These are the clothes. So long story short, it is December. It's my birthday month, but it's also my brother. My younger brother and I coincidentally share the same birthday. How uncanny, is that the word? Anyway, so he's really into Minecraft now, so I got him I'm trying to hurry up and like wrap this away so that he doesn't find it. Because to quickly show you guys what I got him, like I said, he's into Minecraft, so I got him the top that says Minecraft with the creepers. How do I know this? Because I've worked with younger kids and that's all they talk about, Minecraft. So even though I've never played it, I know. Then same thing, this is more of a thing, but it's creepers and Steve, I believe that's the character. And what's this? That's not a creeper, this is something else. I forgot what you call them. I don't know. And then it comes with the matching green shorts, and the shorts also has a Minecraft logo on it. So I need to fold those. And then lastly, I got him a Minecraft book bag set. It comes with the lunchbox as well. I thought this was a better deal. They had different ones, but this looked like the best deal. So I got him that. So as you guys see, if you don't see that, that's the what do you call it? The lunchbox and a backpack. And yes, I could have got him toys, but I feel like somebody else is gonna give him toys. And I bought him so much toys within the year. So I got him something that he could actually use for a while. I'm gonna have to, I feel bad, but I'm about to rip this bag and put this in a new bag because this is not gonna work out. Make this interesting. This is cute, so I'm gonna put them in here. In that one. Sorry, I'm just very amazed at all these. I didn't know we had these in the house, so that's why. They're pretty much like gift boxes. They're really cute. Yeah, I definitely see me using this for my job thing. But yes, so let me speed this up real fast.
Rudolph, tell me how you touch the sky. They used to make fun of you, call you out your name. Never let poor Rudolph join the reindeer games. Dasher, Dancer, Prancer, Vixen, they came after you, but instead of staying down, you went to the moon. And the day before Christmas, Santa chose you as the one. He said, long as the trees lay bright, I know you can guide my sleigh tonight. Rudolph, Rudolph, how you do that? I know. Tell me how you do that. Rudolph, I know how you do that. Ever wonder how rain flies so high? Yeah. Rudolph, Rudolph, how you do that? Rudolph, tell me how you do that. Rudolph, I know how you do that. Ever wonder how rain flies so high? Yeah. It's the end of the year. Everywhere on TV, couples and Christmas trees, gift wrapping and cheer.